Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, today again we will do vowel I words, and today it is our last one. It words. It words. In our last class, we did ip words. So, first of all, we will revise all the ip words. So, ip, dip, ip, lip, ip, hip, ip, sip, ip, tip, ip, nip, ip, zip. Okay, kids. So these are the words that we did in our last class: dip, lip, hip, sip, tip, nip, and zip. And kids, today we will do it words. It words. So kids, this is I, and the sound of I is E, and the sound of I is E, and the sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. So it will become it. It will become it. Like, see, this is it. This is I, and the sound of I is E, and this is T, the sound of, and this is T, this is T, the sound of T is T. So when E and T come close together, it will become it. It will become it. So today we will study it words. First we will learn from the book. Now first one is b, it, bit, k, it, kit, f, it, fit, h, it, hit, l, it, lit, s, it, sit. I repeat: b, it, bit, k, it, kit, f, it, fit, h, it, hit, l, it, lit, s, it, sit. Okay, kids. Now what we will do with these letters. Okay, so this is it words. So if I'll add her to it, it will become hit. It will become hit. Her, it, hit. Her, it, hit. And what is the meaning of hit? The meaning of hit is to touch something with sudden force. So this is hit, and the meaning of hit is to touch something with a sudden force. Okay, so this is hit. Ha, it, hit. Now if I'll remove her and if I add sir to it, it will become sit. S, it, sit. S, it, sit. And sit, you all know it is a sitting, to take a seat. Okay, so it is a sit. Sit, which means sitting, to take a seat. Okay, so this is sit. S, it, sit. S, it, sit. Now if I'll remove sir and if I add b to it, it will become bit. B, it, bit. B, it, bit, because the sound of B is b and this is it. So b, when combined with it, it will become bit. It will become bit, and bit means a small piece or amount of something. Okay, you heard that rhyme? Bits of paper, right? So it is that bit. Okay, so small piece or amount of something is bit. Now if I'll remove b and if I add k to it, okay, so this is k and the sound of k is k. The sound of k is k, and it will become kit, because k when combines with it, k, it, kit. K, it, kit. And the meaning of kit is what? A set of things such as tools, clothes, or first aid kit. So kit is a set of things such as tools, clothes, or a first aid kit. So this is kit. K, it, kit. K, it, kit. Now if I'll remove k and if I'll add l to it, it will become lit. L, it, lit. This is L and the sound of L is L, and this is it. So L, it, lit. And you all know, I already told you, lit is lightning. Like, okay, so lit means lightning. Now if I'll remove L and if I'll add f to it, f, So it fit, it fit, it fit. So and the meaning of fit is in a good health. Okay, the meaning of fit means in a good health, like I keep myself fit by playing or walking. So this is that fit. Okay, so fit means in a good health. Okay, like I keep myself fit by playing or walking. So this is fit, for it fit, it lit, it kit, it bit, it sit, it hit. Okay, so this is it hit. Okay kids, now I will tell you how you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so kids, please pay attention. You have to put the heading on the top, it words, and put the date on the top. Today is 10th August, and which month is going on? August. So 10th August 2020. Okay kids, so put the heading. Now put the serial number 1, and first one is bit. So b plus it is equals to bit, and bit you all know, small piece or amount of something. So I am making here small bits of paper. Okay, now number 2 is, okay, so now number 2, kit. So k plus it is equals to kit, is equals to kit. And kit you all know, it is a set of things such as tools, clothes or first aid kit. So now I am making here first aid kit. So this is the box and this is a first aid kit. Okay, make a sign here. So this is a first aid kit. Number 3. So number 3 is fit. Okay, so for this you have to write down f plus it is equals to fit. For it fit. Now I will make a picture for you. So this is fit. This is fit. So fit means in a good health. In a good health. Like I keep myself fit by playing or by walking. So this is fit. Okay. Now you have to make this picture. Next is number 4. And number 4 is hit. H plus it is equals to hit. H plus it is equals to hit. And the meaning of hit is to touch something with a sudden force. Okay. Like I am making here ball. Let's make a ball over here. Okay. And this is the bat. Let's make a bat over here. So this is the impact. So this is hit. H, it, hit. Now move on to number 5. So our number 5 is lit, which means lightning. Okay. Write down L plus it is equals to lit. Is equals to lit. Okay, now I am making here a matchstick. So this is lit. Okay, this is lit. Now next one is sit. S. It is equals to sit. Sit means to take a seat or sitting. Okay. So first let's make a chair over here. So this is our chair, and now make a person who is sitting over here. So this is sit. Okay, this is what? Sit. Okay, so this is sit. So kids, in the similar manner you have to do it very neatly, very beautifully. You have to do it and share the work with me. So these are all it words: bit, kit, fit, hit, lit and sit. Okay kids, try to make all these drawings by yourself. You have to make all these pictures. You want to color them, so you can color them, and put the serial number, put the heading, put the date, and do it in this way. Okay, so do write all the 8 words and click the picture and share the work with me. Bye bye kids, have a nice day, and we will meet soon again. Bye.